In this video, I'm going to talk about how to compress a large video into small size. If you're having a large file and if you wanted to reduce the size of that particular video file, this is what we have to do. The first and foremost step is all about we have to go over here on a Google Chrome. Now once you get into the Google Chrome, go over here in the search. Now type here for Handbrake. Just type here for Handbrake and press enter. Now over here, this is the first site that popping up, which is for Handbrake, that called handbrake.fr, and you have to click on this one. Now from here, you have to click on download Handbrake. You have to just click on this. So what happens is the Handbrake will be downloaded. For me, it is actually blocked for some reasons. So once it's successfully downloaded, what you need to do is you can see we have an Handbrake here. So just click on this one. And what you need to do is once you get into the Handbrake over here like this is the first and foremost step. So we need to install the Handbrake. So just double click on this. So we'll be having some instructions to install the Handbrake on a computer. So what you need to do is once you get into this, just go for yes. Now from here it is asking Handbrake. In my case, it is already installed. So I'll just go for cancel it. Then what I'll do is just go for the next. Now from here, as you can see, you have to just scroll it down all the way down, then go for the next. And make sure where you wanted to install this particular one, I'll go over here, go for the install and finish. Once the Handbrake is created, you can see this is the Handbrake. And once it's successfully done, we have to try opening it. Now, as you can see, when you open it, we'll be having few things. From here, we have to add the file and all those things. So we have two options. One, folder, which means you can select multiple folder over here. Another one is a single folder. So I'll select this one. And over here, what you need to, once you select this one, you have to go to the location where there is a huge file of video. So in my case, I'm just going to use this one over here. Then go for open. That is going to take you to this. And from here, I wanted to make a few things first. I'll maximize this. First thing is all about I have to make sure the format is being set into MP4. We have various options. Set this to MP4. Then we have to put a check on web optimized over here. After this, what we need to do is we have to go to the video. Now from here, you have to set this to X.264 or X26 over here and make sure that is set a frame rate here. So over here, as you can see, the frames rate is in 13. So what I'm saying is we can keep this as same as source. So there'll not be any kind of quality difference in the video. Once you're done with this one, you have to go over here, then set this to constraint frame rate. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to just browse the video that you wanted to add. So I'm going to select this one over here and you have to add it. You have to just go for this. And once the video is added over here, once everything is given, like the filters and all those things, everything is given, you have to set this to this. After everything is successfully given, what you need to do is there is an option over here called start encode. So just click on start encode. So what happens is it will start changing the video over here. If you go over here at the bottom, you can see this is where it's processing. So all we have to do is we just need to wait for a bit of time. Once it's successfully done, we have to save the file. Then most probably afterwards, we can see the differences over there. So guys, once it's done, as you can see, this will be saved over here on this particular location. You can just copy this and minimize this over here. Go to your file explorer and get into this PC. Go over here at the top, copy and paste this one, and you have to just press enter. So what happens is you'll be having the file over here. That is over here, as you can see, it will be there, but the quality of video is pretty set. So this is how we can do it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.